Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Facebook nearby friends not showing. So first of all, we need to uninstall our current Facebook app and we need to download and install an older version of Facebook. So uninstall your Facebook and open your browser. And after opening your browser, search your older version of Facebook. Then open this first link. Scroll down and here you'll find older versions, so you can download any version from here. Just tap on the version name which you want to download and now tap on download and you will get the APK file on your phone. All you have to need, just install the older version of Facebook and log into your account and check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.